Hey there, and welcome back to Daily Speak. I'm Alex, and I'm so happy you're here with me today. Today, I have a wonderful old story for you. A story with a beautiful lesson. It's a simple story, in easy English, made just for beginners. I will speak slowly and clearly, so you can understand every single word. If you miss something, don't worry. You can always listen again. Just relax, listen, and enjoy. Here's our plan. First, I'll tell you the whole story. Then, we'll learn some useful words together. And at the end, I'll ask you a few simple questions. Our story today is called The Lion and the Mouse. Are you ready? Let's begin. Story, Part 1. The Sleeping Lion. Long ago, in a warm green jungle, there lived a big, strong lion. He was the king of the jungle. All the animals were afraid of him. One hot afternoon, the lion was sleeping under a tree. He was tired, and he wanted to rest. The jungle was quiet and peaceful. Nearby, there lived a tiny little mouse. The mouse was very small and very playful. He was running and playing all around the jungle. Story, Part 2. The Mouse Wakes the Lion. The little mouse was not looking where he was going. He ran up a small hill. But it was not a hill. It was the lion's back. The mouse ran across the lion's nose. The lion woke up. He was angry. He opened his big paw and caught the little mouse. "How dare you wake me up?" the lion roared. "I am going to eat you!" The little mouse was very scared. He was shaking. Story, Part 3. The Mouse Begs. "Please, please, great lion," said the mouse. "Please don't eat me. I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to wake you." The lion looked at the tiny mouse and laughed. "You? A tiny little mouse? Why should I let you go?" The mouse said, "If you let me go, maybe one day I can help you." The lion laughed even louder. "You? Help me? You are so small. How can you ever help a big lion like me?" But the lion was in a good mood. "Okay," he said, "I will let you go." And he opened his paw. Story, Part 4. The Lion in Trouble. The happy little mouse ran away. "Thank you! Thank you!" he cried. A few days later, the lion was walking in the jungle. Suddenly, he stepped into a hunter's trap. A big net fell on him and caught him. The lion tried to escape. He pushed. He pulled. He roared. But he could not get free. The net was too strong. The king of the jungle was trapped. He roared and roared for help. Storybook, Part 5. The Mouse Saves the Lion. The little mouse heard the lion's roar. "That's my friend, the lion," he said. "He needs help." So the little mouse ran as fast as he could. The mouse saw the lion in the net. "Don't worry," said the mouse. "I will help you." The lion was surprised. "How can you help me?" he said. The little mouse began to bite the net. He chewed and chewed with his sharp little teeth. He bit one rope, then another, then another. Soon, there was a big hole in the net, and the lion was free. Story Part 6. The Ending. The lion could not believe it. A tiny mouse had saved his life. "Thank you, my little friend," said the lion. "I was wrong. I laughed at you. I thought you were too small to help me, but today you saved my life." The mouse smiled. "You see," he said, "even a small friend can be a big help." From that day on, the lion and the mouse were best friends. And the lion never judged anyone by their size again. And the lesson is simple. No act of kindness is ever wasted. And even the smallest friend can be the greatest help. The end. Vocabulary. What a beautiful story. Now, let's learn some useful words together. First word, jungle. A jungle is a thick forest with many trees and wild animals. Say it with me. Jungle. Next word, roar. A roar is the loud sound a lion makes. Say it with me. Roar. Next, trap. A trap is something used to catch an animal. Say it with me. Trap. Next, escape. To escape means to get away or get free. Say it with me. Escape. One more. Kindness. Kindness means being kind and caring for others. Say it with me. Kindness. Excellent work. Comprehension plus outro. Now, let's check your understanding. I'll ask 4 simple questions. Try to answer out loud. Question 1. Who was the king of the jungle? Yes, the lion. Question 2. What did the mouse do to wake the lion? That's right, he ran across the lion's nose. Question 3. How did the mouse save the lion? Exactly. He bit the net with his teeth. Question 4. What is the lesson of this story? Yes, even a small friend can be a big help. You did wonderfully today. Here's your homework. In the comments below, tell me in English, has a small friend ever helped you? I read every single comment. If you enjoyed this story, please give it a like and subscribe to Daily Speak for more easy English stories. I'm Alex. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and always be kind. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.